And welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about deathv.com review? If yes, then watch this unbiased review. As customer from United States are very curious to know about the website legitimacy. So let's check out the detail. Deathv.com is an online store dealing in fashion, clothing and accessory for people of all ages. Means the store caters to all women's needs and it sells variety of fashion clothing at affordable rate. Moreover, the website claims to have a largest and best clothing range for people with varying budget. The store has featured products, new arrival and latest winter collection to suit your need and budget. Beside, the products came with small description and have simple layout design for a hassle-free shopping experience. Let's check out the specification of this portal. It is HTTP secured website. They are selling shorts, jackets, coats, skirts and t-shirts. Email address, contact detail and physical address have been shared on the website. Payment methods are PayPal, debit and credit card available. It was registered on 22nd September 2021. You can enjoy free shipping over the shopping of $50 plus, and order may take within 1 to 2 for the process, and it takes 3 to 5 days for delivery. Means total estimated time is about 5 to 7 days. As far as its return and refund is concerned, the return and refund policy lasts 30 days from the delivery date. No honor detail have been shared, no social media link have been attached with this website. The positive point of Deathv.com are a different collection of clothing and fashion accessory available, catering the women's fashion. Product descriptions are available, free shipping on order above $50, latest design clothes. Return and refund policy lasts for 30 days. Negative point of Deathv.com are no reviews found over the internet or in detail are missing, physical address mismatched with other businesses, no active social media presence. So the question is Deathv.com legit or a scam? As we are checking out all the important parameters, so we will be able to decide about its legitimacy. So let's check out the detail in depth. It is 54 days old website. It was created on 22nd September 2021 as we discussed before, and it has short life expectancy date, like it will expire on 22nd September 2022. It has poor trust score of 1% out of 100, and its trust rank is 27.3 out of 100, which is also poor. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help for us and important part for reviewing any website and product. So we found no review, testimonials, comments or feedback from customer. So the legitimacy of this website is questionable. In conclusion, we can say that Deathv.com is a store selling fashion clothing and accessory, as the website claimed to cater to the fashion needs of women. However, customers are hesitating to shop at a store that is newly developed. So we at this moment are not recommending you. According to us, it is a highly risky website, so it's better to stay away from this website. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.